Welcome to Coastal Family Insurance.
Richard, thank you for having me.
My pleasure.
So first, I'd like to start by thanking you for being our top sponsor for the Crew of Lafitte 10th Annual Pirates for Prostates Golf Tournament, raising money for prostate awareness in the Pensacola area. So my first question for you is, why sponsor the golf tournament?
Well, what attracted me to the Crew of Lafitte golf tournament, the prostate for men, is that I'm a cancer survivor myself of prostate cancer. I was diagnosed at age 46, and when you approached me, or somebody approached me, I think it was Martin Mosier actually that approached me.
Yes.
And he asked me about it, and I said, absolutely. I didn't even hesitate. I just wrote the check and let's get it going, let's have it. And I've enjoyed the last year, even though we got rained out a little bit. I thought it went really well. We had a good day. And I just want to say thank you, because when we were out there and you were announcing sponsors, you announced Coastal Family Insurance first before you announced anybody else. And I think I came up and thanked you for that.
You did, I remember.
But that was huge for me, and I appreciate that.
Well, this year you're going to be dead center, so that's good too.
Thank you.
Well, again, we appreciate your sponsorship. Can you tell us a little bit about Coastal?
Coastal Family Insurance, we started about 5 years ago, a little over 5 years ago. I started out, and I started my agency as a Florida Blue agency. I wasn't selling homeowners or automobile insurance or commercial insurance or anything. And after 4 or 5 years, things have evolved, and we've now have a commercial license in the office. So I'm doing all lines of insurance, personal and commercial insurance now. Okay.
What about what are the various aspects of the insurance? Like what industries or what markets do you support?
You're going to be surprised. I support just about all the markets. So forefront is Florida Blue.
Yeah.
I'm certified in all health insurance markets, under 65, over 65. I even do employee benefit packages for companies, and that kind of goes hand in hand with the commercial side of business that we have.
Okay. A little bit more into that. So if you're doing commercial and personal, can you explain the personal side a bit?
Sure. So on personal insurance, that would be on health insurance, that would be anybody age 65 and under.
Okay.
So 64 and under.
Sure.
And we can help people that are above the poverty level, above 400% of the poverty level, where they be with off market.
Right.
If they're making more than say 200,000 a year, then we would put them in an off market plan. If they're under that amount, they need to check with us so we can see where they fall into that gap, so we can help them get health insurance.
Okay. And you also get into automotive and homeowners?
We do, yeah.
That's awesome.
I actually represent 2 automobile companies right now. Hopefully a third will be coming on board soon. I represent Progressive and Bristol West Insurance, which is a farmer's company, for personal auto insurance. Okay. And then on Progressive side and Bristol West, we also sell commercial auto fleet policies as well.
Oh. And what's the biggest driver of the business today?
Richard Penrose. It's the God's honest truth.
From a customer's perspective, what's coming through the door the most?
It's a pretty good combination of health and home and auto is the majority of it. One thing that we enjoy is our 92% referral rate.
That's good.
So you even called our agency a few months ago, and we helped you, and hopefully you'll let your friends know. And that's what most of our family does. They let their friends and family know that I helped them. And most of them, if you go to Google and you look at my reviews, you'll see the truth about Richard Penrose and how nice he is. And I'm not bragging, I'm just telling you the truth. I'm just a good guy, and I try to help people through their whatever needs they have in their insurance.
Okay, that's great. I appreciate that, and I'm sure the community does as well. So now the real question: how do you think you're going to do in the golf tournament?
Horrible. I fully expect to be horrible, but I have an ace in my back pocket. No kidding aside, no pun intended on the ace sponsorship. My son Steven is 27 years old, and he is a 3 handicap.
That will certainly help in that Friday tournament.
But his wife Alyssa wants to play, so we'll have her there on Saturday.
Oh, great.
And she's like me, she's horrible. So that'll be fun.
Well, that's wonderful. So again, I can't thank you much for being a sponsor for the tournament. If there's anything the crew of Lafitte can do for you, please just let us know. And we look forward to seeing you at the end of April, both on Friday and Saturday for the tournament. Space is still available.
Awesome.
Have a
Thank
great
you.
one. Cheers, man.
Thank you.